Munene wa maminista na ingi minista muvyani wa nthi Musalia Mudavadi etula muti ambunge ala ukuweta hata manavangite ndambuka ya Kuthi nthi ya Taiwan kavindani kala President William Ruto unatambukite nthi ya China aiweta kana ndambuka ya bunge yisaa kuete ivyuvi na kuvalaan'ya unyanya wa Kenya na nthi ya China. Musalia umilite mbewa nzama ya mbunge ya Senate ya usese na maundu ma nthi cianza nowetie kana serikali ya Kenya nditambukite Taiwan tandhila seyungamia Manendaa atongoi onthe mevathane na maundu ala matonya kuete ngusanisyo na nthi ni kana kumasia movo atwetwanwe Lina Musangi.
Onenambe wa kamiti ya Senate Minister Munene Musalia Mudavadi nuwetie itambe ya mama MPs kusukumia koi Taiwan kavindani kala Musumbi na ndambuka nthi ya China taitambe tana ithiane nesa na vala withia yanaitie visote museo kwinzi ya Kenya.
We believe it's important to always have an official Kenya position on some of these very critical areas, so that we don't send mixed signals on very clear, on very strategic areas. And I know, for instance, there were some people who were pushing to have a delegation from Parliament to go to Taiwan when the President of Kenya is visiting China for a state visit. You see, looking at it, that would have been a provocative action, and it could have cost the country dearly. So there are certain things that we need to be alive to, because they can have serious and devastating implications on the broader welfare.
Wataunu wetie kana nthi ya Kenya na ile ya China ni kwithio na ngwatanio mwe ya kuendesia maendeleo.
Kenya's position with respect to China is that we have adopted a one China policy. And that is the partnership that we've had with China ever since, and therefore we do not recognize Taiwan as an independent nation. We believe in a one China policy, and that's the principle that has been guiding us, not just now, but to the best of my knowledge, each successive government has maintained the one China policy. And it is in our strategic interest that we maintain the one China policy.
Musalia ni umisio kana uteteni wa ile kuvetangwa nzini wa moveo foreign affairs. Monoko kwa ni ambassadors ma Kenya njisi ya Italy ondo umwe na Vatican.
I want to assure the committee that we do not want to make foreign affairs a dumping ground. We would like to put our best foot forward in these countries as we are represented by Kenyans in various stations. And I just want to assure you that in Italy, the ambassador in Italy and the ambassador responsible for the Vatican, who is based in Paris, these are career diplomats. So the whole issue of somebody giving an impression that they are politicians is false information. They are career diplomats.
Good report of Lingua Movo Nilina Musangi.